Hi guys, welcome to the WeiHui's video channel. Welcome to visit the first production site of WeiHui's products. Everyone is doing their job, and the work is going on in an orderly manner. This is a master with more than 10 years of soldering experience and skilled technology. Wow, which customers' goods are these? Oh, it turns out to be our friend from Europe. All inspections have records and responsible persons. All records are reasonable and well documented. We treat every customer as a friend, do business sincerely, and make friends with everyone, no matter where they come from. Most of WeiHui clients are more than 5 years cooperation time. About 30% more clients have 10 years cooperation experience with WeiHui founder Nikki. Welcome to WeiHui. We are expecting your visit at any time. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I can cooperate with you guys in the near future.